Okay, good morning everyone. And this is Antonio Rodaje, the continuing of our lesson for today, the logistics, operation supplies, and chain management. The role of location supply chains. No? Number one is sourcing and supply location. The choice of supplier locations can affect transportation cost, lead times, and the availability of the raw materials. Proximity to supply can reduce transportation and cost lead times, allowing for faster response to change in demand. Sa trabaho po namin no, bilang security, sa private sector po ako, ang agency po namin ay bumibili po sila ng halimbawa po ng firearms, radio, logbox, uniform, etc. para po ma-deliver po ito sa kanilang mga clients. Yan. And sa pagkatapos po ng manufacturing and production of facilities, the location of manufacturing plants impact production cost, labor and ability, and transportation logistics. Companies may choose to manufacture products in regions with lower labor cost, no, and closer to target market to reduce transportation expenses. So itong agency po namin ay bumibili po sila ng mga baril, halimbawa po sa Arms Corps. Ito po yung mapagkakatiwalaan nilang kliyente para po may produce sa kanilang mga detachment. At ganoon din po sa radio, yung Kenwood po namin, sa mga logbox and other supplies, sa supply tindahan po ganoon. Matatagpuan po sa Ross Boulevard, sa uniform po namin. Ang aming agency po ay mayroon po silang sariling tailoring. Ang RG Tailoring po. Okay. Sa distribution centers or warehouse are strategically located to optimize the storage and distribution of products. Properly located distributions center can reduce transportation cost to improve order fulfillment speed and enhance overall supply chains and responsive. So, ang agency po namin kapag mayroon na po silang makuhang mga kliyente, ano po, halimbawa po ng Western Residence, Sheraton Manila, and Infor, ay binibigay po agad yung mga hinihingi namin, no? Ito po yung duties and responsibilities na, for example, presentable wearing, prescribed uniforms and paraphernalia, alert and prepared duty, yun, for reporting po, observe and politeness and discipline in rendering services, properly implement patient policies, rules and regulations, care for handling and services firearms, handheld radio, and other equipment po. So dapat po may provide po namin itong mabilisan galing po sa mga manufacturing po namin na napagpagkakatiwalaan para ma-distribute po para sa mga clients po namin. And the market and customer proximity, no? The market proximity of production and distributions facilities to target market and customer is essential for meeting and demand efficiently. Being close to customer can reduce shipping times, improve customer service, and allow for quicker response to market changes. No? Like for example, pagkatapos po namin maipasa ang lahat ng mga requirements, so ito na po, maintain and peace and order inside the establishment in accordance with the implementations of policies and SOP, rules and regulations set forth by the clients and agency. Protect the clients, employees, customers, visitors from any unlawful acts of stranger. Protect establishment properties of the clients and customer from undue damage, theft and robbery. Make coordination with the clients and representatives of all matters pertaining to security and daily operation of the establishment. Sa pamamagitan po ng lahat ng mga hinihinging requirements, no, galing po sa mga respective clients, papunta po sa aming mga galing po sa mga distributors, papunta po sa mga clients po namin. Ito po ay kailangang maipreparar ng maayos para mabigyan namin ng mahusay na paglilingkod ang aming mga customer. Transportation and infrastructures, no, to the ability and quality of transportation infrastructure such as roads, port and railways influence supply chains and efficiency. Well-developed infrastructures can lead to faster, cost-effective and transportation. Okay? So, yung example ko na lang po dito yung sa amin, yung to permit on deny entrance or to remaining to given a place, to speed up and slow down to rate at the moment from or within defined place, no, to issue or handheld material informations, to protect persons and material information against unauthorized observations or removal, to ensure and safety and security of persons and things in the material supplies equipment. Okay, and that's all po, and thank you very much and good morning po.